Hey everyone, buttons inside our platform are nothing new, but what is new is the ability to create them from scratch. So here's a button, I'm simply going to touch it, and it's going to take me through to the website, right? Let me show you how easy it is to create the button inside the studio. So all we have to do, I'm just going to delete this one for now, because we don't need it anymore. Just delete, remove. We're going to go to image on the left-hand side. We're going to click that, and we're simply going to go create button. Usually we would upload our own image, but in this case, I'm going to go create button, and we're presented with the new button editor beta. So the text content allows you to put in whatever text you want. So we'll just call this whatever text. Underneath text options is where you can change the font, where you can change bold, text size, your letter spacing, your line spacing, so you can like change the text to go a little bit further out from each other. You can change text size. You can change the different fonts we've added in the system, and that's pretty much it. If you know how to use a word editor, that's pretty much the options that you have available to you. Let's go to button padding. So this is where you have the ability to make the button a little bit bigger around it. So let's grab top padding, right, or bottom padding, so you can make the button bigger around it. I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Button corners, this is where you can style the button. So I can go like this on the top left radius. I'm just going to take the bottom radius and give it this little bit of a look. You could totally round out the entire element if you want it. Or you can just get rid of one edge if you want it as well. So you can just have one rounded side. So the options are really limitless on how you can change your button around, right? You can even make the padding bigger and make it a full circle if you want to do so. I'm just going to put it like this for now. Let's just go like this. Let's bring this one in and this one in. Perfect. So we have the shadow underneath the option, or sorry, the shadow underneath the text option. You can change the shadow around wherever you want it to be. You can change the blur radius. Underneath border option, you can change the border size. You have the option to have none as well, or you can go dotted, dashed, or double. In this case, I'm just going to go solid, and I'm going to go to color options. So underneath color options, you have the ability to change the text color. So if I want this to be yellow as an example, I would just go OK, and there's the text being yellow. I can change the top gradient to a different color. So let's just change this to like a darker blue. And let's change the bottom one to a lighter blue just to reverse it, right? And we can change the color of the border as well. So if I want that to be a little, maybe I want it to match up with the text. And then we have the ability to change the gradient percentage, so we can make it a little bit more noticeable like that. And we can even change the angle of the gradient as well. Once we're done that and we're happy with it, actually I'm just going to go back here and just make this a little bit smaller. I'm just going to go export as image. And here's the preview. I'm going to go upload. Just going to move it down. I'm going to put our website in here. And I'm going to go, that's pretty much it. That's just, actually, you know what? I'll just put a fade on it as well. Let's put a 3-second fade, and we'll have a 3-second duration. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. Let's move it over here. Right about there. And let's go save. So let's refresh this once it saves and see what it looks like. So we'll see it fade in here any second once it's loaded. So 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. There it is. It faded in. And if I touch that, it's going to go through to the website. So that's how easy it is to add a button to our system and be able to generate with our button generator and be able to create your own custom buttons right inside PrintCast and GeoCast Studios. I can't wait to see what you create.